to write copy for your website, create images for your website. End-to-end process, we are going to learn how you can leverage AI to start your business while you are working a full-time job. And finally, we are going to learn how you can build your personal brand using AI. So how you can post on LinkedIn regularly, how you can reply on Twitter, how you can post on YouTube, all these things using AI, which will make your life 10x more simpler, and you'll enjoy posting content out there, and you can build a personal brand for yourself. We are going to look in that aspect as well. So after on top of that, this is not end of our curriculum. On top of that, if you are a coder, like there are really disruptive tools which are like disrupting this industry. So we are going to cover all these tools which are in the aspect of coding, which are revolutionizing coding, such as Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and ChatGPT and Codex. We are going to cover all these tools, which will make you a very efficient coder, and you'll be a 10x coder. We'll be also optimizing social media using AI. So we'll learn how we can AI, optimize our social media, how we can leverage AI for our social media, and how we can leave our competition dust by using AI. Finally, so AI is a very latest field. So there are a lot of developments. Even like after conducting your webinar, we saw 2-3 really nice tools, and we instantly included those tools in your main curriculum, right? So AI is a very, very dynamic field. So there are developments happening in AI on daily basis. So whatever best developments are there, whatever best tools are out there, so we are going to include all these tools, and latest tools you'll be getting in this course, and lifetime updates you'll be getting for free. So the main problem is landscape of job marketing changing every day, right? Let's say you're working as a software tester, you're working as a development guy, you are working as a junior analyst. You don't know that if that job is going to stay there for upcoming 12 months or not. Because of generative AI, landscape of job market is changing so rapidly. If you are not leveraging AI, I think you will lose your job. So you can see, like in recent times, a lot of companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon have laid off their lot of workers, more than 10,000 workers, and like IT companies also laid off more than 17,000 tech employees. On top of that, startup also laid off 6,000 workers, and big techs laid off over 2.6 lakh people. So these are huge numbers. This like main reason driving this is like I understand there are some economic factors, but on top of that, if your manpower is becoming 10x efficient, then I don't think there will be a lot of need for manpower. I'll tell you something. If before invention of calculator, there used to be 2-3 people calculating all daily stuff in business, right? So this P&L used to take like a lot of time, and calculations were tedious, and every 4-5 manpower was employed in that particular aspect of calculating things, right? But after invention of calculator, that work of those 4-5 people was delegated to one person who was able to use calculator, right? Same thing is happening in job market. So the people who can leverage it are going to be really ahead of the competition. So what is happening? Profitability is new North Star metric for everyone. So startups are not willing to burn money, and everyone wants to defend their profit. And how they can defend their profit with optimum way? By firing people, by making their existing manpower more productive. So the manpower, the companies are adapting to AI, so manpower should also adapt to AI. If you are adapting to AI, then you will stay and you will accelerate in your career, right? So if you're not adapting, then you'll be like broken out, and you'll be left behind. So that's why you should complete this course. You should take this course with very seriousness, and this course will make you 10x. So that's my guarantee. But you should complete this course, because this is very, very, very important for your going forward, your career and your personal life as well. So main thing is AI is smarter than us, faster than us, and cheaper than us, right? So if I ask some senior product manager to give me some scope document or give me some document regarding a product, that person will easily charge me 5 to 10 lakh rupees for giving me a simple document, right? Because it is professional fee. But same, it will just take me few cents, like 1-2 cents, like it is rupees. So whatever used to cost 5 lakh, 6 lakh rupees is now costing 1-2 rupees. Why? Because AI has become smarter than us, it is faster than us, it is cheaper than us, right? So that's why the huge threat is knocking on our doorstep. And the companies have already started integrating AI. So Bain and Company, which is like one of the largest consulting firm in the world, has already signed up like deal with OpenAI, and they are integrating ChatGPT in their day-to-day business. Also, on top of that, largest marketing company in the world, Coca-Cola, has also integrated Dolly and ChatGPT in their company. So it is not future; it is happening right now, right? So you should take this course seriously. You should learn about this because going forward, all these companies are going to use these tools, and you'll be forefront of it, and you'll have a good understanding how this work, so that you can command a really good value for yourself. If you're working at 5 lakh rupees, 6 lakh rupees, you can command 6, 70 lakh, 80 lakh. That is possible going forward. So AI is taking over the world, but whenever industry get disrupted, wealth get redistributed. Like I example told you earlier, when calculator was invented, the guy using calculator got paid 2x, but 5, 6 people lost their job, right? I'll tell you one, 2, 3 more examples. In first industrial revolution, wealth went from farmers to factory owners. Factory workers, right? So in first industrial revolution, wealth went from farmers to factory owners. Farmers used to earn really good. Farmers used to be like richest people around there, but after first industrial revolution, farmers to factory owners, wealth migration happened. In second industrial revolution, factory workers to machine operators. Like in second industrial revolution, what happened? The people used to work in factories were like really rich, really wealthy in 1760 to 1800s. But in 1870, after there were like in second industrial revolution, factory workers to machine operators wealth transfer happened. In 2005, machine operators till 2005 used to do really great, but after that shift happened in technology aspect. Like people who knew how to use technology, people who knew how to use code, people who leverage technology were doing really great, right? But in 2023, everything is going to change. This fourth industrial revolution is happening, and wealth will be transferred from technology operators to AI operators. The people who can command to AI, people who can use AI, will be like really rich in going forward. So this wealth migration is happening right now. So traditional job roles have fallen, like all kind of traditional job roles. You can ask 4, 5 proper prompts to ChatGPT, and you will understand that is much better than people who are doing their repetitive jobs. And AI revolution has begun. But I really want to give you a good news. It is not all day scenario. AI won't replace you directly, but a person using AI will. Okay. So in this course, we are going to learn every aspect of AI, how you can leverage AI. Not going into technical, we are not going to learn how you can code and how you can generate AI models. That is completely different stuff, right? We are going to use all the AI models which are the best in the world, and which can optimize ourselves, and which can make us 10x, right? So by the end of this course, I can guarantee you that you will be 10x more efficient, and you'll be 10x more efficient than people who are not using AI. And I think you'll see that in your career growth, your personal growth, and your other aspects as well. So you should complete this course. I'm looking forward to teach you in this course. And for example, in our organization, I just tell you like what is average revenue per employee in Indian companies. In IT companies, average revenue per employee is 36 lakh rupees. Means a single employee has on an average 36 lakh rupees for an IT company. In banking and financial sectors, 33 lakh rupees. In pharmaceuticals, it is 29 lakh rupees. Telecommunication is 24 lakh rupees. In consumer goods, it is 21 lakh rupees. In retail, it is 13 lakh rupees. But in our company, we have a team of only 6 people, and average revenue per employee is 2.24 CR. Why is that so? Are we very smart? No, we are not very smart, but we are leveraging AI in proper way, right? We are automating every task possible, and we are leveraging AI in every possible way. That's why we are 10x more efficient than our competition, and that's why we are going to grow. We are we are going to grow really tremendously. All right. So finally, that I think you are convinced by now, like how helpful this course is going to be. Make sure that you will complete this course, because I'll feel nice. All right. So I have kept you a secret bonus when you complete the course. So let that be secret, and I'm looking forward to you to complete the course. So ball is now in pure code. I hope you complete this course, and you become 10x version of yourself. So how you can get most out of this course? First of all, you should study model. we have kept a system of unlocking modules. So on one day, one module will unlock. It is there because knowledge, the use when you see the knowledge, you don't need to binge watch it, right? So binge watching takes you nowhere. So you should see something. You should see some informative video. You should learn a tool. You should solve assignment on that tool, and you should implement that tool. After that, only you should go to new stuff. So in that way, you'll be really looking. You can see results in yourself, right? So if you follow this method, you can see results in yourself. Otherwise, you'll be just binge watching binge watching the course. I really don't want you to binge watch the course. I want you to study the material. I want you to solve the assignments, and I want to implement in your life, right? So if you implement in your life, then I think you can make 1000x ROI on this course. So I'm looking forward to you to complete this course. So let's get started and let's be 10x. Thank you, guys.